Hi there. It's great to have you back on my CryptoQ Media channel. Here it is, a few days early, but history is being made. We stated this breakthrough would happen 2 days ago. Today, XRP's production trajectory sent a powerful message. Why are we doing this, and how far are we going is the question that everyone eventually asks. If you're interested in seeing how I try to answer those two questions in this video, then you should definitely subscribe and give it a like before we start. I am so dedicated. For now, just know that this huge surge has broken above this downward trend line, which we have been tracking for a few weeks. I'll go back to the chart for a more detailed analysis at the end of the video. So, I was expecting something along these lines in the days coming up to the SEC and XRP appeal finalization on October 7th, but today it really took off, with discussions of partnerships with India, ARL, USD, and a host of other nations. We hope you're all excited about this video because we'll try our best to explain everything in it. Could you please explain what is happening? It is intriguing that the anticipation of a SEC appeal has been increasing over the last several days. My video from yesterday clearly showed my disbelief in its veracity. As such, I think you've got all the latest RL, USD, and XRP news, and the charts prove it. Consequently, what does the latest advancement on this matter have to offer? Experts and legal opponents agree that Judge Torres's decision was based on very specific facts. Judge Torres's use of the third sectarian judge was probably not an error, anyhow, according to the appeals court. Even if the SEC didn't take XRP holders' expert testimony into account, the judge did. This implies that the judge looked at the details provided by the SEC and, on many occasions, decided in XRP's favor. Consequently, I have unable to locate it. The only way for the judge the SEC to win is an unlikely but plausible scenario in which the SEC selects 3 judges who are favorable to the SEC could lead to its victory. Hearing this from an attorney makes it sound like they feel compelled to try to sway the decision in their favor. Thus, this is clearly a bullish viewpoint on XRP. With 99% of Ripple USD already in circulation, the release of Ripple's stablecoin is imminent. Specifically, in the past 24 hours on Ethereum, 99% of Ripple USD has been created, while the digital payment network Ripple has minted 800,000 Ripple RSV tokens on the XRP Ledger platform. One thing to bear in mind is that the suggested stablecoin project may start first thing in the morning. Because of this, that is normally where it is located on the Ethereum network. It is also available on XRPL, as I indicated earlier. Can we get everyone's opinion on the charts? Please. However, many will have turned a profit on 2.30 by the end of the week. Some are already forecasting that the next few days would see massive ETF blows, so we better brace ourselves. By the time you see this video, the Asian markets should have opened. On top of that, I think they'll buy something. I am prepared for their retaliatory return, when they will try to surpass the US ETFs. But MB Crypto has looked at XRP on-chain debt and discovered that previous research suggests it's highly probable to reach $2.30 in the next days, both in terms of price and increase in trading volume. The analysts predict a massive surge based on the breaking of the 7-year downtrend, maybe a 3,000% increase that takes us to approximately 1.74. Even if it won't happen immediately, everything is on schedule, and it has defied the predictions of many regarding Ripple and XRP. You can see it in the pudding, as the old adage goes. Another item from today mentions the oil company allegedly employing XRP. Now is the time for me to finally say it. No official statement has been made by us at this time. It came to light during our brief discussion on the BRICS movement that Dubai and India were starting to develop partnerships to purchase oil using XRP. Neither the XRP nor Ripple headquarters, nor even that Brad Garlinghouse, have issued a public declaration as of yet. We expect Ripple to enter many more practical use cases, especially with those 2 changes entering the XRPL. Let's keep things sensible, though. Since this is big news, we anticipate that our USD stablecoin will also provide credibility to the scenario. Understood. Let's quickly review the chart and determine our final destination. Take a look at who shows up. This breakout here is just another example of how this downward channel continues to give us substantial positive strength. We have fallen slightly, about 4%, but I still don't think it's reason to be worried. It is of the utmost importance to remain above this line. In comparison to my expectations, I think we're moving a little bit ahead of schedule with this move, but we'll take it nevertheless. The RSI divergence is displaying very promising signals, and a few of the moving averages are starting to increase. Then what's the next step after breaking over 786? We retested 1.0. The top to bottom fib retracement suggests that the next level, 1618, at 75 cents, will likely be the important mark. I anticipate that XRP will climb with other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a plethora of others, presuming that its pricing behavior is consistent with the market overall. But XRP has been enjoying a nice rising trend for about 2 weeks at this point. Ripple and XRP appear to be acting exactly as promised on the channel, which is great news for everyone. We truly value having you here today. For the time being, I ask that you subscribe and favorite my channel.